Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless headphones with the XT-11 Bluetooth 4.2 wireless earphone sports headset. Now, I know what you're thinking, there are so many options out there, how do you know which one to choose? Well, let me tell you why the XT-11 stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk about the design. These headphones have an exclusive design patent, with an ergonomic shape that fits comfortably and securely in your ears. You won't have to worry about them falling out during a workout or run. Plus, the unique magnetic control feature ensures that they stay in place no matter what. But what about the sound quality, you ask? Well, the XT-11 doesn't disappoint. With the ear design, you'll experience the world's best bass, and the built-in high-sensitivity microphone guarantees clear voice quality for calls and voice commands. And let's not forget about the battery life. These earphones support 1.5 hours of fast charging and provide up to 10 hours of music or talk time. That means you can stay connected and entertained all day long without needing to constantly recharge. In terms of functionality, these headphones are truly versatile. With Bluetooth 1.2 capabilities, you can easily switch between devices without any hassle. Plus, the play button allows you to control your music, answer calls, and access other features with just a simple touch. With the key parameters including a Bluetooth version of CSR 4.1, a frequency response of 20 to 20,000 Hz, and a standby time of about 240 hours, you can rest assured that you're getting top-notch performance with the XT-11. So, if you're in the market for a new pair of wireless earphones that deliver exceptional sound, comfort, and convenience, look no further than the XT-11 Bluetooth 4.2 wireless earphone sports headset. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And as always, stay tuned for more tech reviews and recommendations coming your way soon. Happy listening!